Hey guys, Dion here, back with another unboxing. This is going to be more of a review. So, back with another review. And this is from our good old company, Wanshine. So, Wanshine has been on this channel before with the exact same product, except in that white color. This time they provided me with a blue and a red color, or I think that's actually an orange color. But, yeah. So, I've been using this quad port wall charger a lot because I have a lot of chargeable devices that use USB. I just plug it into my outlet or my wall socket, and I just plug everything in here. It makes it super easy, and they fit well. There's no looseness in the outlet at all. So these are solid. If you need a stocking stuffer or just a random gift for anybody, I think this is a great way to go. But on with the actual product. This supports fast charging, so it has their smart IC technology. Says they identify different devices and charge them at their top speed. In other words, fast charging is available, and it's 31 watts with 6.2 amps for each of the outputs, and it protects for all types of circuit protection, over current, overcharging, over voltage, over discharging, and that's important because you don't want to ruin whatever you're charging. But on with the actual unboxing. Oh, I ripped it. Alright, so yeah, this one is the orange one, and each Wanshine product comes with a little card that has a little code, and you get coupons and stuff like that. Not a huge deal keeping that a secret, but just thought you guys should know. So here's the orange one. That's a nice bright orange. And for the blue one, these are very securely packaged. And there's that, and this is the blue one. So I have the white one that I'm currently using, and I gotta say I'm a fan of the blue. I'm not a huge fan of orange. I don't have very many orange accents in my house decor, but this is a very nice bright orange. So it's a nice accent to, maybe your wall or something like that. But the blue, this is more of like a baby blue. It's hard to see, but yeah. So these also have LED indicators inside the actual USB outlets to tell you when they're actually charging, which is important to know because you want to know if there's full contact with your prongs. The prongs actually fold in and out, making this perfect for travel. And because I travel a decent amount, not too much, this has been well worth it. And they snap in and out of place, which is nice. Now, one thing I have noticed is because of the way it's shaped, they have made it less blocky by curving the edges here. But because it's still a block, it kind of blocks. Okay, I didn't mean that. I didn't mean that pun, but kind of blocks other outlets, and maybe if you're too close to a something above the actual outlet, the socket, it can kind of interfere and block actual full contact. Just something to note. Shouldn't be a huge deal if you're using a wall socket, but maybe if you're using a power strip, something of that nature. It's finished with a grippy, like matte paint. I don't really know how to describe this. It's kind of rubbery feeling. It feels nice. It doesn't really attract much dust either. From the white one I've had, which you'll be able to see the dust a bit more, you barely see any dust. So yeah, and thankfully, thanks to Wanshine for providing these. They also provided discount codes for all the viewers here. So if you need one, they're discounted, and I'll also be doing a giveaway. So a giveaway with these two, the orange one and the blue one. Just comment down below which one you want, and you also have to be subscribed, and you have to comment, of course, to tell me which one. And I'll DM you in your personal inbox, so make sure you guys have that. You guys check that regularly. But yeah, yeah. So these are solid. Let me know if you guys want one, and yeah, see you guys in the next one. Peace.